Oh, yeah, let's play knight f3 again. Okay, you guys, we'll see you on the other side. Okay, let's go knight f3. So I'll play e4 here, why not? I'm gonna play c5. I'm gonna play c3 here. It's not the only way to play this, but who is this? Oh, it's the Aravind. Okay, serious player, a serious GM. Now there are multiple ways to play this. I'm gonna play the old school way it takes, and I think I'm gonna go knight a3, knight b5, because it's not the only way to play it, but there are multiple ways to play the system. Let's go d4. I have knight b5, of course. Bishop c4, also an idea. Playing this light, playing an Alpine Sicilian here. I mean, this is not necessarily the only way to play it, but I think this is highly suspect from Aravind, if I'm not mistaken. Trying to recall, this doesn't feel right. Let's go here. Bishop e3, I think is a mistake, actually. Maybe. I should have played queen b3. I think queen b3 was the right move there. I think it was the correct move, but whatever. I am better now. I think knight g4 was strong. I think he missed a good opportunity there. Because now a7 is also... So wait, if I take and I take a7, what's going on? Takes, b6. I also have bishop c4 here. But bishop a7 doesn't work. Okay, so I can obviously trade. I can also play bishop c4. My instinct is that bishop c4 is correct. Knight a7 is also... What's this move? Wait, okay, slow down. Knight takes a7. Where is he going? Knight takes a7, queen h5, knight c8, rook c8. I don't understand. What am I missing here? I must be missing something, or else I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't see it. So if I don't see it, then it might not exist. Like, either I'm in a lot of trouble, or I'm just outright just like much better here. I also have bishop c4. Okay, bishop g4 makes a lot of sense as a fundamental move. I have knight e5 here. I also have just bishop e2, which is surprisingly decent, I think. I don't want to trade the queens. That's the only thing I don't want to do. I don't want to trade the queens. So if I go knight e5, bishop f5, bishop c4, queen g2, castles, I mean, that's getting very wild and woolly. That's not what I want either. Queen h5, h3, bishop e2. I don't know. If I'm missing something, I'm missing something. I don't see it though right off. Knight c7, which looks weird. Okay, I should be better here somehow. So if I trade knight f2 on knight b5, takes. I don't know. I mean, this looks... I'm thinking too long, though. I've got to just move and trust my instincts. Knight b5, queen d4, knight f4. Knight b5, knight b5, takes. Oh, wait, but knight b5, there's rook a2. If I go... Or wait, rook a2, I trade and take b7. I think I just have to trust my instinct and just trade and go knight b5. I mean, if this is no good, it's no good, but I'm losing way too much time here. Either I'm much better if not winning, or like he is something very good and I have nothing. I'm spending so much time here. I have an extra pawn, which should play eventually. If takes, I run the king up and I take, and I get 2 bishops. Here he does here. This should be good. The longer he thinks, the more confident I become that this is completely fine. I think actually he's thinking too long, so now I know it's fine. Yeah, it should be completely fine. So he takes. Of course, I take. This is a mistake. What is there? Some bishop h6 or something? Should I just go e4, I guess, and king g3? e3, just king g3 is fine. Okay, he goes knight f6. Okay, now I should just be better somehow. Let's go here and maybe rook hd1. Okay, bishop e6. Oh wait, do I have knight c7? Rook a2. Go here. I blundered. He had knight g2, which he missed, by the way. Let's go here and trade. Yeah, now I'm winning, but go here. Yeah, now I just win. Check and I take the bishop. Not a great game, but it's a win.